how to order groceries through Instacart. In order to order groceries through Instacart, you have to first download and install the Instacart app onto your device. Once you are done creating your account, you then need to select or choose from the available local store. So basically what you want to do is you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the store. You can just go ahead and tap the store name, or you could also go ahead and just look for it as well. And once you're done selecting the store, what you need is you just want to make sure to start adding item to your cart, right? So you just want to go to groceries. There you will be able to select all these options. Now I'm going to add in the product, right, just by tapping in the plus button. As soon as I do this, it will be taken to the next page. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding in the product once again, plus. And once I'm done adding into my bag, I'm just going to go ahead and select you're getting delivered. So you could just go ahead and open that up. And now you could just go ahead and proceed to checkout. And this is how you're supposed to order groceries through Instacart. So that is the way. You could also enable location if you want to. So thanks for watching. See you in a next video.